Right, please remember to share, like, subscribe. Today we're going to be replacing the oven element, bottom one for baking, the top one is for broiling. Either in the door or right over there in that drawer, you'll find your model number, serial number. So I'm latching mine so that I can pull it out from the door handle, and then I'll be disconnecting it. And right on the back of the oven, you'll be able to see where the element is wired electrically, so you'll have to disconnect it there and there. And then from the inside of the oven, you will have to remove those first, remove your racks, and then unscrew those two screws right there that are holding it in place. That is my new element that I got. I'll tell you where I got it later in the video. It's hard to see there because I'm moving too fast, but it's 20 ohms when it's new. The other one that I have in place is open, so it's going to be an open line. It got damaged. I'm not sure if it was some chemicals from cooking something or if it was just wear and tear. And at the end of the video, you'll see how it looks like. Then please share, like, subscribe. It will help the channel grow. And it will, if you share the video, somebody that might need to see this will see it in the future. So that's the tabs where you're going to connect electronically. Just push them in. There should be some insulation, so that's all you're going to see on the other side when you're pushing it through. And then you're just going to be screwing those back in. And if you want, you can clean your oven there while you're at it. Or you can just do the self-cleaning if you have that option. But this is a real video. It's not like those videos that they clean up. Maybe I should have, because I'm sure some people would be making fun of me in the comments. Alright. So get that one too. And then after this, you're going to be reconnecting it in the back. And that's pretty easy. You just pull it to disconnect it, and then you just push it in to connect it. Yep. And then you'll just plug it in to verify that it works. Don't go all the way in it, because if you had something that wasn't working, you can test it and reopen it. So I'm raising the temperature there of the oven, and I'm going to open the door to show you that it works. And I bought this element through Whirlpool, so I did some searching online. I think I went to a different website first, and I didn't get it. Like, it took more than a month. So I went through Parts Select to get it. So that's what got damaged right there. That's why it wasn't working. So you can see the meter says open line when it's not connected, and then it will read minor resistance. So there you see that it's going to keep saying open line. Yep. So that's a bad element. That's why it wasn't heating. So normally you should have some sort of resistance. In the case of the new one, it was 20.5 ohms, and that's why it heats up, and then it allows you to cook. So here's another angle so that you can see it better. So it looks like it has a little bit of like a crack right there and a few small holes. And I don't know what that green stuff is. I don't know if anybody knows how these things fall apart. If you can just let me know in the comments, that'd be great. And once again, thank you very much. I'm starting to make these YouTube videos. Hopefully I can help some people with this info. It's way cheaper than buying a new oven when it's not working, and cheaper than calling somebody to get it and fix it when you can just do it yourself if you want to. And that's what it looks like on the inside. Alright, I hope this helped anybody that needs their oven element replaced. I'll be making a few more videos because I guess I should buy a new oven because it's falling apart. I have 2 more videos of things that broke. I had a burner on the top, and then the clock in the front is we thought it stopped working, but it was just a button that wasn't working because it broke. And I'll upload those later so that you can make fun of me because I'm not replacing the oven and I just keep fixing it. But at least it's less trash in the environment. So here it is, part select. That's where I bought it from. And have a good day. Thank you very much. Please share, like, subscribe. See you later.